Oh, hello, beautiful people. For today's video, I thought I am going to show you how I theme my desktop real quick. Well, not really theme, but how I apply the themes that I like. I know many of you are very well aware and familiar how to do that, maybe even better than me, but there's a lot of new users to the Linux that may be wondering how they can do it. Easy, maybe. We'll see about that. Okay, mostly what I'm going to show you in this video is for the GNOME desktop or all the variants like BUDGIE and Cinnamon, even XFCE4. And as you can see right here, I have a fresh install in a virtual machine, the BUDGIE desktop environment. This is a source. I'm not going to go too deep into the desktop environment. We are here for something else. So the first thing I want to show you is open a browser of your choice. And basically just look for GNOME Lux. Okay, usually it's the first thing that pops up. Just open it. And this is the site that we are going to use, that I am using usually. So what you're going to do here, depending of what you want to do, first I separate the themes for shell and GTK themes and icons. Here you can see all the different categories. So basically, usually I know exactly what I want and the name of the themes that I like because I've been browsing long enough. I've been trying long enough in so many different themes. So I have already know for myself what I want. So go up here where the search is and look for the theme if you know exactly what you want to do. Otherwise, just you can just browse and see what you like. For example, I know this one is pretty good, so let's open it. You have a little screenshot previews of what the theme looks like. If you like that, just go to the files, and this is the file that you need. Just click here on the download. Wait for the download to be ready. And download it. That's it. That's all you need here. So this, as you can see here by the categories, this is a GTK 3-14. What GTK means, this is basically how your applications look like. Basically, this is a file manager. Right now, this file manager is looking like this. If you apply the theme that we have just downloaded, it's going to change the appearance. And basically, it's going to look like that here. If you like this look, this is the theme for you. So what else? I like to change the icons of my desktop. How you do that? Again, you can just go here, see where the full icon themes is. Just click there, start browsing, see what you like. Just select the one that you like. There is, I don't know if you noticed, but there is more than 1700 different themes. So there is a lot of choice here. That's one of the reasons why I like Linux so much. But anyway, I already know what I like, and this is the Nazi theme. Again, you have a preview of how the icons look like. Just go to the files. Now here you have a different colors or different variation. Pick the one that you think you might like the most. I like the cyan, or well, basically I'm gonna go with the regular one. Wait for the download to be ready and click download. That's it. Nothing complicated. So let's go to the download page where we already have downloaded all the themes. How you apply the theme to your desktop? Basically, just right click on the icon and you should have a button similar to this one, extract here. Just press it. Wait for the extraction to finish. You need this folder, I'll show you in a second. So let's go ahead and do the same with this. Again, look for the extract here. Wait for it to finish. And that's it. How you apply the themes one more time. So go to your home folder. This is usually how it looks like. What you're going to do is just press the Ctrl H. Now you have so many more files and folders. This is because most of the files are hidden for you. Okay, when you get to here, what you need to do, just create a new folder. The name of the new folder, it's .themes. All right, and you need another one. Just create another folder that is going to be named .icons. We are putting dot in front of the name because we want this folder to be hidden. For example, like local or Mozilla or any other configuration file. Now let's go back to the downloads. Copy the theme that you have selected. Go back to the home. Open the folder .themes that we have selected and paste it here. Now we're going to do the same thing for the icons. This is the North Sea. I'm copying this, going back to home, finding where the .icons is, open it, paste it here. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Now Ctrl+H. If you don't want or you're not a fan of keyboard combinations, just right click on your folders. You have an option here similarly to the Windows, show hidden files. You can check that and you have the same output. Now again, right click, show hidden files, and that's it. Now, once you have already copied the themes that you like, what you do, now this is specifically for BUDGIE desktop environment. Just open the start menu. Just open the start menu and look for settings. Now you will see here BUDGIE desktop settings. Go there, and on the style page you have widgets. And as you can see, we have the Vivid Dark GTK theme. That's the one that we have just downloaded and copied. Just select that. For icons, we are going to do the same thing. We have selected the Nordsee icon themes and you can see the difference how the icons look like now. For cursor, we don't have anything right now, but again you can go back to this site and look for the cursors right here. Now you have so many other different themes and you can select the one that you like. Okay, so as you can see, we are on Linux Mint right now, and this is the Cinnamon desktop. It's a very similar to the BUDGIE one, just the menu and the layout of the desktop, it's slightly different. What and how we apply the themes here, it's very similarly to the BUDGIE. I'll show you. I have already downloaded the same themes we used in the previous desktop, the BUDGIE one. This is where the Cinnamon is a little bit different. In my opinion, it might be even better This is one of the reasons why I like the Cinnamon desktop much, but anyway, just again click and open the menu and look for themes. Okay, so this is how the default theme selector for Cinnamon desktop looks like. You can already select a dark theme if you like. You can select the accent color, or if you want to mix and match, you have option for the style of the desktop. But we want to go ahead and check the advanced settings right here. Now, if you notice here at remove, just go here, wait a little bit for the download images to finish, and you have already selection of quite a few themes. Just you can go ahead, browse and see if you like anything here. Let's see which one I like. This one, it's not bad, sea blue. So if you think you like this theme or you want to try it, just click this button install. It installs pretty quickly. Now go back to themes. Now you have quite a few options. Just go to the mouse pointer, select the type of the mouse that you like. For me, this one it's better. Now for applications, do the same thing. See how many themes for applications we have. This is basically the GTK theme. Now let's look for the one that we have installed here. See how many options for themes you have right here. For example, let's go with mint white dark. I like this one. Now for icons, the same thing. You have quite a selection for themes. This is the one Nords that we have just copied, and I want to use this one instead. And as you can see, the themes look amazing here. Now for the desktop, this sea blue right here is the one that we have just downloaded. You can try it on and it looks pretty good. If you like transparent themes, this is the one that I would recommend you. All right, so we are back on Linux Mint. This time, this is the XFC desktop, as you can see. Again, it's pretty similar to the previous Cinnamon and BUDGIE. I just want to show you the file manager here. It's a little bit different. So if you want to go and show the hidden files, like the previous two, when you right click, there is no option here. How you find it? Go to the view and there is a show hidden files right here. Just click it and you have the hidden files right there. Now when you are ready with extracting the files and copy them to the new folders you have created, what you are going to do is again open the menu. This time look for appearance. It's right here. And here on the Linux Mint, as you can see, again, you have quite a few already selected themes. Again, you can already have tried some of them and you might like them. But this is the one that we have just installed. Now go to the icons and I am looking for the Nordsee icon themes, and again it changes so much better. I really like this theme. But anyway, you have quite a few options here. You can change the fonts and stuff, but this is up to you. Okay, so now we are on GNOME desktop environment. As you can see, it's a little bit different than everything you've seen before. But this is not a video about GNOME. So here you need a couple of extra steps to do you need a couple of more applications. The first one is called GNOME Tweaks. Depending of the distribution of your choice, this might be installed out of the box. This might not, as in my case, as you can see. So what you are going to do here is pretty simple. Open the software center. Okay, and here with the search, just do tweaks. It should be the first one that comes up. This is the one that we need. All you have to do is just click the install button, wait a few seconds for the installation to finish. And you need one more thing before you do that, just in case, and this is the extensions application. This is the one that I am talking about, but this one, extension manager, it's even better. I will talk about this in another video maybe, so let's install the extensions as well. Just click install. All right, so everything we need, it's already installed now. And as in the previous steps, I have already created the .themes and .icons. I have copied the themes that I like. Now everything we need, it's already installed. All we have to do is just open the Tweaks application we have just installed. And you have the appearance tab here. And this is where you can change the appearance and you can choose the themes that we have just installed. So that's it. If you have any questions, any concerns, please do let me know in the comment section down below and I'll see what I can do. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.